Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's fall, and folks, it's time for pumpkin spice. How many of you have made donuts using your canned biscuits? Okay, with those, you take them out, you cut a little hole in them, you deep fry the donut holes, and then the rest of the biscuits, you make a powdered sugar glaze, and you have donuts. Well, I saw these in the dairy case by the biscuits, and I thought, you know what? Let's see what we can do with these. So we are going to get them. I have my oil already preheating, folks. I'm going to get it to about 325 degrees. And let's see how easily this will come apart. Aha, there we go. Now with this one, I don't have to make the powdered sugar glaze to go on it because I'm going to put that in the microwave and we are going to have the cinnamon glaze that's on there. Okay. I'm going to separate my rolls out, okay, and you'll notice that these are huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a circle. Let's put that one over here. Let's roll it into a circle. And then folks, that's ready to put in the oil. Let me check my temperature on my oil. Okay, we're at our temperature, so I'm going to go ahead and drop this in the oil. And it's going to start frying instantly. And while that one is frying, I'm going to go ahead and put this one together. Now folks, the cinnamon and stuff is going to come off. It's going to get all over your hands. It's going to be gooey. But guys, it's going to be so good. And that has dropped the temperature of that oil down some. It always does when you put something cold in a hot oil for just a few minutes. But it will come back up to temperature pretty fast. I'm just going to continue on right quick getting these rings made, and we'll flip that one over and go from there. Okay. Put that one flipped over. As you can see, it definitely has poofed up quite a bit. I'm trying to monitor my temperature on here, folks. I don't want it to get too hot, because if it gets too hot, it's going to be done on the outside and gooey on the inside. So I do believe we have that one done. Okay, let's put that one right there. And then go on with the next couple of them. Oh yeah. And if you can see, those things have already started to grow really fast. I'll fry them for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip it and fry it for another minute to 2 minutes. That way we get nice and crispy and done all the way through. So in the meantime, while those are cooking, I'm going to heat my glaze up. Always be sure you remove the little aluminum foil lid that goes on here, because if you put this in your microwave, folks, you've torn it all to pieces. Nobody wants that. Okay, let me flip these real quick. Oh yeah, they're already brown on that side. lid off. Okay, as you can see, some of the donuts came apart. I guess when you pinch them together, you need to be sure you pinch them a little tighter than what I did, guys. This is real life, and I'm a home cook, folks, nowhere near professional. And I'm just showing you what happens in my kitchen, because in all honesty, your kitchen is probably pretty similar to mine, boo-boos, blunders, and all. But that's okay. As long as the end result is good and it tastes good, that's what I'm going for. What are you going for? You going for a professional look? Or are you going for something that your family's going to enjoy? That, my friends, is totally up to you. But I've got my glaze heated up. This is the last 3 of the pumpkin spice canned biscuits, for lack of better terms. Pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls, pumpkin spice rolls. What do you call those? Okay. Now folks, I'm going to show you a blender. I put this in the microwave and I put it on about 70% power for about 20 seconds. Folks, it don't need nowhere near that much time. It cooked over and it went all over my microwave. I had to clean the microwave. So, doesn't take long. So what I'm going to do is, with a little bit of this remaining glaze, I'm going to put on my pumpkin spice donut. Flip these over. Now folks, I've told you from the time that I've started this channel that I show you the ugly as well. Okay? This is what cooked off of those pumpkin spice cinnamon roll donuts. Just saying. Okay. Normally, whenever I do something like that, I would try to strain the oil and reuse it for the same project. But I don't think I'm going to be able to on that one. Okay, back to the good stuff. Okay, we have our donuts here. And I am going to dive in, and I'm going to enjoy this. That's good. Folks, you got to give it a try. You saw how simple it was. Just unroll the pumpkin rolls, fold them together, deep fry them, and there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the simple little recipe today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. See you on that next video, and I'm going to enjoy this.